It's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I am participating in another collaboration that is actually a challenge video. It is the DIY floral challenge that is being hosted by two very lovely ladies, Lindsey from Domer Home and Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi. And what they've asked us to do is to do a DIY project using florals, and you can use anything and make anything that you want in this floral challenge, as long as it has to do with something that is grown or flowers. It doesn't have to be real flowers or anything, it could be fake things. So what I've decided to do, and you are looking at my peonies that came out of my own personal garden, is to press some flowers. And actually I am going to be pressing the peonies leaves. I completely fell in love with what these peonies leaves look like, and peonies are so full and vibrant and I'm in love with them, but I did not think that I could actually press these flowers well enough for this challenge. I did not have enough time on my hands to be able to get it done so that it would look right. So we're going to utilize the leaves off of my peonies and then unfortunately use a little fake flower. I also am going to use a large piece of glass mirror and possibly one of a couple of adornments that I have in my stash. So let's just get into it and see what I come up with. So the easiest way to press flowers, if you don't have time to wait for them the traditional way, is to do it in the microwave. What we're trying to do is remove all the moisture from the actual flower or leaf that you're pressing. So what I'm going to do is take some paper towel and lay my leaf down on it upside down, and then put more paper towel on top of it and then weight it down inside my microwave. I'm simply setting it on the actual tray that's inside the microwave already, and I'm going to weight it down with just some cornware dishes, something that's microwave safe. Then we are going to place it in the microwave and set the timer for 1 minute. Be careful removing your pan just in case it is warm. I'm using cornware, it shouldn't heat up like that, so I'm not worried about it, but just in case what you use heated up, use an oven mitt to remove it. And once we pull the moisture out, your leaves may have changed color a little bit. I don't mind that. If you do, you might want to try doing several different sets until you get the color variation that you like. But we're going to go ahead and use this. I already have done some other ones, so I'm going to add to them. So here you can see I have several of the pressed peonies leaves, and they are sitting on a piece of mirrored glass. I'm going to Mod Podge them down to the mirror and use them as a display in my kitchen. Okay, here are the leaves, and they are Mod Podge down on part of them. I'm not sure if the Mod Podge is going to make the mirror cloudy. It should dry clear, so I decided not to use it to cover the top of the leaves. What I'm going to do is add my adornments, the flower and the butterfly, just with a little dab of hot glue, and then I am going to make a frame around this at a later date and pour resin on top of just the leaf portion. I will remove the flower and the butterfly and put resin down on top of just the leaves, so then the mirror will always reflect and the leaves will always keep their brilliant color. But for now, we are just going to do it this way without Mod Podging the top of the leaves, because my fear is that the mirror is going to get cloudy and it is not going to keep the leaves bright green in the long run. So here is my final project, and I have to say I am in love with how it turned out. I wasn't sure that it was going to work out so well, but I figured that's how DIYs go. Sometimes you have something in your mind and it doesn't work out at all, but you'll never know if you don't give it a try. So I want to thank Lindsey and Heidi both for including me in this collaboration. I had a lot of fun doing it. I have it propped up here in the back of my kitchen, just on one of the little plastic stands from the Dollar Tree. The actual butterfly that's on there also came from the Dollar Tree, and I made sure that I glued it to the mirrored glass and not to one of the leaves. I also tried my hardest to get the glue from the peonies onto the glass and not exactly on the leaves. However, if it does get messed up, I can pull more leaves from my garden to fix it. Like I said before, I'm going to put a border around it and add resin to only the leaves, and then I'll reattach the flower and the butterfly to the resin in order to make the leaves last for a very long time. So that is it for this video. Thank you so very much to everyone for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. If you're not a member of Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.